Today, we're going to focus on another crucial element of storytelling: plot and structure. We'll explore the importance of plot and structure in storytelling, learn about different plot structures and how to apply them, engage in plotting exercises to develop plot lines. By the end of today, you'll be able to craft a compelling plot that keeps your readers hooked. But before we get into that, let's do a quick recap. We learned how to create vivid and immersive settings and how to use sensory details to enhance our descriptions. Today we're going to focus on what happens within those settings. Let's delve deeper into plot and structure. Plot and structure are the framework of your story. They give your narrative direction and ensure it unfolds in a compelling and coherent way. Let's start with the basics. What is the difference between plot and structure? Plot is the sequence of events that make up a story, while structure is how those events are organized. Now, let's explore different plot structures. There are several plot structures, including linear, non-linear, and the three-act structure. The three-act structure is one of the most common plot structures. It consists of three parts: the setup, the confrontation, and the resolution. In the setup, we introduce the characters, the setting, and the conflict. The confrontation is where the main character faces obstacles and conflicts, leading to the climax. The resolution is where the conflict is resolved, and the story concludes. Now let's apply the three-act structure to a familiar story. How about The Wizard of Oz? In the setup, we meet Dorothy, who lives on a farm in Kansas. She dreams of a place somewhere over the rainbow. Then, a tornado hits, and she finds herself in the land of Oz. This is the setup. In the confrontation, Dorothy embarks on a journey along the yellow brick road to the Emerald City to seek help from the Wizard of Oz. Along the way, she faces various obstacles, such as the Wicked Witch of the West and the Poppy Field. The climax is when she melts the witch and returns to the wizard with her broomstick.